Okay, hey guys, it's Tessa, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be making a little vlog video. It's currently Tuesday today and I'm already packing for my holiday to Greece. I'm so excited, I just can't wait to go. I've got my hair tied up this morning. I'll show you what the back looks like. So I'm really happy with how my hair is at the moment. It's nice to be able to put all my hair up and it still looks good. I don't normally wear my hair up. I feel like my face looks really weird when I put my hair up. And also today I filled in my eyebrows using a eyebrow powder. Normally I use an eyebrow gel. I always used to fill my eyebrows in with brow powder. I mean, it's a lot easier because you don't feel like if you go over the line then it's gone really badly wrong. So with the powder you can just kind of go around the outside with concealer. Well, I've got clothes everywhere because I'm packing for the holiday and I don't know what to take with me. This one is kind of like a see-through shirt. This one I thought would be good for in the evening when you've had enough sun and you want to kind of cover your shoulders a little bit but not feel really hot. But the thing is, it's black, and if I was to wear this in the sun I feel like I would get really hot because it is black and it would just absorb the sunlight more. So there's a few more dresses that I wanted to show you guys. So this one is number 1. But I really love the colours and the pattern on this one. I can't remember where I got this one from. I think it is from Dreadlock, but I'm not too sure. It was so long ago when I got this and I've never worn it because it's been in my drawer and still had the tag on it. Yeah. I mean, it's not that bad. The only thing I'm just not 100% sure on is the sides. Yeah, I've not worn a dress that's got the sides cut out like this before, but I mean it's different. It's definitely different. Okay, so I'm going to put on dress number 2 and I'll get back to you. Okay, so this one isn't a dress, it's a play suit. This one was from Primark. It clashes with my backdrop, but you get the idea. I love the pattern on this one as well. But this outfit is one where you could just throw on if you wanted to go to the beach or if you want to have a look in the town or something like that. The reason I'm not too sure about this one is because if the sun was to go on my back like a couple days later, will I have like a grate of suntan on my shoulders? That's like the only thing putting me off this outfit. Apart from that, I really love it, but will it give me like a weird suntan mark on my shoulders because of what it looks like on the back? But I don't want the sun to leave like a really weird great markings in my back. So this is outfit number 2. I think this one is one of my favorites so far. So some of you guys on my last video, when I asked you where would you go on holiday if you could go anywhere in the world, and a couple of you actually said Greece, so I was like, yeah. So not long after I uploaded that video, we booked a holiday to Greece. So me and my partner are going to Greece for a week and I'm really excited. So what I wanted to try and do is take my camera with me so I can vlog a little bit. I think it would be fun to capture the experience on camera because I have never been to Greece before and it's one of those countries that I'm very excited to go and see, find out more about the culture as well and the language. I think it'll be really interesting and fun. So I would love to take my camera. So it'll be just really nice. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I feel really bunged up in my nose today and I woke up and I just couldn't stop sneezing and my nose is really kind of like runny. I have no idea why, but the last couple of days I've been taking antihistamine tablets. I think it may be because the pollen count is really high. But yeah, I do suffer with hay fever, so it's probably that. Okay, so I'm gonna try on the 3rd dress now and I'll come back to you and we can come to the conclusion to which one is your favorite, which one do you like more, or whether or not they are all complete fails and I just shouldn't take any of them on holiday with me. So see you in a sec. Well, hello there. Okay guys, so this is the final dress that I wanted to show you for the holiday to Greece. and I wanted to see what you think of it. It goes all the way down to my ankles, which is good. Finding a dress that goes down your ankles when you're 5'7" can be quite hard. Most of the time they always shrink and they end up being just below your knee when you wash the dress for like the first time. So being 5'7" can be a little bit of a downer, because when you're looking for dresses, especially when you want to go on holiday and you want a really nice long maxi dress or a maxi skirt, it can be impossible because after one wash it shrinks. It all depends on the type of material and also like how hot you put your wash on for your clothes. It just gets too short after a while, so it doesn't look like a maxi dress. I really love the colour of this dress, and I love how it has these beautiful flowers on, and it just feels super summery and super sweet. I love it. Okay. So this is what the dress looks like in full view. It's nice and long. I like the shape, how it's kind of pleated. Comes out. I'm just gonna constantly be sniffing my nose, so I'm trying to fit in as much as I can before my camera dies. So if you want to hear something funny, so I have one shaved armpit and then the other armpit isn't shaved, so Also guys, what I want to do is I want to try and change my nose studs. So my high nostril piercings, I really want to change it to shorter bars. So the holiday is in about 2 weeks. I'm probably going to leave it about a week or so and then possibly change the bars on my high nostril piercings. Fingers crossed. I mean, I could probably get away with changing the jewelry now, but I want to leave it as long as possible to make sure the inside of the piercing is healed before I take it out, because I could disrupt all the healing process in the skin and stuff. Possibly gonna change it in the next few days, or I will end up changing it just before I go on holiday. So a couple days before we leave to go to Greece, I will change my nose piercings just so it looks a little bit better. I mean, it looks fine now, but I do want to have the jewelry that I originally had it pierced with, so it won't be sticking out so much and it will just look nicer. Because I don't know, if you go to a foreign country, do you ever get that feeling where you feel like everybody's looking at you because you look different, or you just look kind of freaky? So everyone's like, well, you don't look like the typical average local person sort of things. Yeah, I just want the piercings to look pretty. I feel like it's been almost 3 months now, or feels like 3 months, or it's 2 months or something like that, and you know, I mean, it's not as red, it hasn't got a lump on it, so I'm really happy about that, and it is healing. It's just taking so much time and it's just taking really slow. So we'll see, but I probably will change the jewelry for my high nostril piercings before I go on holiday. Also guys, let me know, which dress do you prefer? Do you prefer 1, 2 or 3 out of the ones I showed you? So if you haven't seen the video tutorial yet on how I got this beautiful lavender princess hair, and it is live on my YouTube channel, go check it out, and I show you how I use Arctic Fox Girls Night and Arctic Fox Periwinkle to create this beautiful multi-tonal hair. It's definitely one of my favourites because of the dreadlocks. I just think it makes the whole look like complete. And I seriously can't stop sniffing guys, so I'm gonna go now. Thanks so much for watching this video guys. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe.